Dawson, can you tell me what's in that bucket?
Sand.
What's in that bucket?
Sand.
What's in this bucket swimming around? Is it a jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
What is it?
Jellyfish.
Did it bite you?
It sting me.
On the leg?
Yeah.
Oh, hurt, didn't it?
Yeah.
There he is. He's big. Is he big?
Oh, he's little. He's little.
Yeah, but he still stung you, didn't he?
Yes.
Jocelyn's scared of the water now because he bit her. She don't like the jellyfishes because they're mean. And her daddy's out there looking for another one. But that's our big jellyfish Daddy caught.
Yeah.
Swimming around in her bucket.
That's salt water.
Yep.
And we can take that salt water and that jellyfish home with us.
We don't know where to put it. Where were you going to put it at?
And a fish tank.
He won't live in a fish tank. You have to have salt water for the fish tank.
Does fish don't like salt water?
They like salt water, and we don't have salt water at home. We have freshwater fish.
Can I take that jellyfish and that salt water?
You'll have to ask your daddy, and your daddy will probably say, no, Jocelyn, he's mean. He's still swimming in there, isn't he?
Yeah, he is.
Is he too? Daddy?
Can I pet him?
No, he will sting you again. You want him to sting your leg? Baby, that's what stung you in the water. You can't touch him.
Yeah, that's
There
the
he
one.
is again.